Kashmir, a piece of heaven on earth located mostly all in the Himalayan mountains. This region is blessed with lush green valleys, snow-capped mountains, beautiful lakes, and marvelous landscapes. Kashmir is popularly known as the mini Switzerland in India. Best time to visit. Best time to visit Kashmir is during the months of March to August. Tourists come to Kashmir Valley so they can witness this heaven on earth. During this period, two seasons are covered in Kashmir: spring, March to early May, and summer, early May to late August. How to reach? By road, nowadays Kashmir is very well connected with major cities like Delhi, Chandigarh, Leh, and Jammu. By rail, to reach Srinagar by train, one has to reach Banihal railway station. By air, Srinagar airport is an international airport which is just 15 km away from the city. Here we will explore the visiting places in heaven on earth. First, Srinagar. Srinagar is the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar is one of the best places to visit in Kashmir. Combines cultural richness with natural allure, promising a memorable retreat. Here we will discuss most attractive places in Srinagar. Shankaracharya Temple. The Shankaracharya Temple is a Hindu temple situated on top of the Shankaracharya hill on the Jabarwan range in Srinagar. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Second, Dal Lake. Dal Lake is an urban lake and most visited place in Srinagar by tourists. Dal Lake is famous for its scenic beauty and pilgrimage center. The area around Dal Lake is a natural paradise. There are many tours around the lake, but the best way to see it is to take a shikara for a day and explore the lake. Third, Indira Gandhi Tulip Garden. Indira Gandhi Tulip Garden is the largest tulip garden in Asia. The tulip garden is home to around 73 varieties of tulips. Best time to visit. Best time to visit the tulip garden is April. This time tulips are in full bloom and the annual tulip festival is held. Fourth, Hari Parbat Fort. Hari Parbat is also known as Ko-i-Madan, lies on the west of Dal Lake in Srinagar. This Mughal structure was built by an Afghan governor Atta Muhammad Khan in 18th century. Fifth, Naigin Lake. Naigin Lake, alternatively spelled as Nagin Lake, is a mildly eutrophic lake located in Srinagar. The Naigin Lake is surrounded by a large number of willow and poplar trees. This lake is calm and less crowded. Staying in houseboat is a major attraction here. 6th, Shalimar Bagh. Shalimar Bagh is a Mughal garden in Srinagar linked to the northeast of Dal Lake. The Shalimar Gardens constructed by Shah Jahan. This is the largest and most beautiful Mughal garden in Srinagar. 7th. Nisad Bagh. Nisad Bagh is a terraced Mughal garden built on the eastern side of the Dal Lake. It is the second largest Mughal garden in the Kashmir Valley. 8th. Chashma Shahi. Chashmi Shahi is one of the Mughal gardens built in 1632 around a spring by Ali Mardan Khan, a governor of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The garden remains open for tourists from March to November. 9th. Hazrat Bal Masjid. Hazrat Bal Srin in Srinagar is a famous mosque that holds high reverence among. According to local beliefs, it houses Moi-e-Muqaddas, the sacred hair of Prophet Muhammad's beard. 10th. Pari Mahal. Pari Mahal is also known as the Palace of Fairies, is a 7-terraced Mughal garden. Pari Mahal is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Srinagar city. It is seated on top of Jabaran mountain range which runs close to Dal Lake. 2nd. Dudh Patri. Dudh Patri is a tourist destination and a hill station located in the Badgam district of Jammu and Kashmir. The name Dudh Patri means Valley of Milk. Dudh Patri is very beautiful both in summer and in winter season. In summer, there are lot of things to do like horse riding, picnic, trekking through the valley. 3rd. Aru Valley. Aru is a village tourist spot in the Anantnag district of Jammu and Kashmir. Biggest fodder seed product station of Jammu and Kashmir is located in the Aru village. The village is a base camp for trekkers to the Kolahoy Glacier, which is the largest glacier in the Kashmir Valley. 4th. Betab Valley. Betab Valley was originally known as Hagan Valley or Hagon, came to be known by its present name and became extremely famous after the movie Betab, which was shot here. Betab Valley is a gorgeous expanse by the Little River, offering panoramic views of the Himalayas. 5th. Pahalgam. Pahalgam is a popular tourist spot in Kashmir, situated at an altitude of 2,740 meters above. This place is commonly referred as Shepherd's Valley. Pahalgam is famous for its forests and crystal clear lakes. 6th. Sonmarg. Sonmarg is a hill station located in the Gandarbal district of Jammu and Kashmir. This hill station is popular tourist destination amongst fishers and hikers. Sonmarg is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and stunning natural beauty. This place also known to be the gateway of famous Amarnath Yatra. 7th. Gulmarg. Gulmarg is a hill station and tourist destination located in the Baramulla district. Gulmarg has attracted millions of tourists throughout its existence with the scenic beauty of the Himalayan mountains. One of the main attractions in Gulmarg is the Gulmarg Gondola, the highest cable car in the world. 8. Patni Top. Patni Top is a stunning hill station of Jammu and Kashmir. This city is famous for its breathtaking natural beauty. It is also well known for the skiing, trekking and natural springs that can be found there. Kashmiri handicraft is a traditional art of Kashmiri people and artisans who make craft and decorate objects by hand. Kashmiri handicrafts are known throughout the world for their artistic work. Pashmina shawls are having huge demand in national as well as international market. Kashmir is famous for its popular dry fruits like almonds, walnuts, raisins, and apricots. Kashmiri fruits are always world famous. The Valley of Kashmir is one of the largest producers of pears in the whole world. Apple production is the main occupation in the Kashmir Valley. It contributes 60% of total apple production in the country. There are some traditional Kashmiri dishes like Rogan Josh, Dum Aloo, Goshtaba, Yakhni, which always enhance your taste bud with joy. Kindness and hospitality of the Kashmiri people makes it a popular travel destination. So, explore the Kashmir and be a witness of the peace of heaven.